Hi, do you like the views? Today we are here at Meyer Road, and Meyer Road is definitely one of my most favorite addresses in Singapore. And in fact, before I bought my house, I was looking around Meyer Road as well. Not only is just near the MRT station, it's also close proximity to the CBD and Orchard Road as well. It's in a moving condition, so without further ado, let's go check out the place. As you enter into the space, you'll be greeted by this very high ceiling over here that gives you the sense of space. When you're seated at the sofa area, the distance to the TV is about 3.5 to 3.6 meters. As you know, these days, the newer properties won't offer you that. And Seafront Meyer is not really that old. I think it's still under 20 years old. Owner has actually refurbished this place, changing all the aircons and the countertop and added certain things for privacy as well. This area is maybe somewhere that can give you a bit of space for your own creativity or your taste. Entirely up to you how you wish to furnish this space. If you need more shoe cabinets, right, there's also this recess area for you. Owner already has storage for shoes, so this place currently is for books. Moving in, right, you have an enclosed kitchen. In these days, the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom won't come with an enclosed kitchen. And earlier on, we mentioned, right, owner actually changed the countertops. These are natural stone marble countertops, and the cooker hood and hob plus the oven and microwave, right, are actually look like quite new. But I asked the owner, this one came original, but come and see for yourself. Actually, you don't need to spend extra money to change all these things. There's a enclosable yard over here as well. So if you're doing your heavy cooking and whatnot, you can just close the sliding door at the kitchen, and then you can open up the backyard over here, right? So that you won't get so much smoke or smell into the living room. Yeah, owner actually gotten approval to install this sliding window over here for privacy. If you don't like it, you can always remove. Also comes with a bomb shelter as well. Big enough for you if you have a live-in helper. The live-in helper will also have their own ensuite bathroom as well. One thing I love, rubbish chute inside. At night, don't need to argue husband or wife go and throw the rubbish. So to sum things up, this 1066 square feet 2-bedroom unit has a really functional kitchen. And before we move on to the bedrooms, right, I like this. Why? Because when you're cooking or washing your dishes, you still can enjoy the panoramic views over here. And some people call it $1 million views. You actually can enjoy the views over here while you're doing your preparation. So long story short, on top of the fact that the owner actually refurbished this kitchen a couple of years ago, this kitchen basically has everything you can ask for. And this is the kind of corridor where you can actually still use some of your creativity to see how you want to furnish this place. You have shelvings here, or you just want to hang some photos. So entering into the common bathroom, there's this sliding window here that opens up to the balcony as well. For ventilation, if you don't wish to open this up, you can actually open this casement window for ventilation as well. This toilet is almost like new because owner doesn't really use it. She only uses the master bathroom, and there's a little bit more storage over here if you need it or not. This common room is so big. It feels bigger than some of the master bedroom these days. And like earlier mentioned, owner has already changed the aircon. So when you want to move in, if you need a turnkey or just something that requires minor touch-up, right, this house definitely is something worth considering. With a large span of windows, this is the highlight of the space, which earlier on we were at the balcony. You're basically looking at $1 million homes. You can see the GCB. They're not GCB, but the huge bungalow cluster over at the Katong area. And since we are standing here, just want to touch on a bit. This is an area which some people regard this as the Nassim of the East. It's the most expensive plot over in the eastern side. You are really surrounded by all the multi-million dollar landed properties. No, before you get carried away, let's go check out the master bedroom. Welcome to the master suite. One thing I love is that there's a foyer area in the master bedroom itself. That means as you enter in, you need to make a left turn to get to your bed, which this kind of layout offers you additional privacy for the master bedroom. And the master ensuite here, owner has actually changed the countertop and the floor to natural stone as well. I like how they actually use white color for the toilet. It just gives off a brighter feel. And there's also a long bath over here ready for you to enjoy after a long day at work. Entering into the space, you can see how generous the master bedroom is. The master bedroom is for the person that pay for the house. Of course, the room have to be big lah. And over here, there's more than enough wardrobe space for you to put your clothing and whatnot. It shares the same view as the living room and the common bedroom as well. This is the second largest development on this highly sought after stretch, featuring 3 sleek 24-story towers and 327 units, striking the perfect balance between privacy and scale, which is the size that allows the MCST to maintain the estate at a premium standard while keeping the living environment low density. Right now, Seafront is undergoing a major revamp, and we're already 80% there. Think of brand new lobbies, a competition-grade tennis court, a brand new gym, and more upgrades still on the way. Now let's talk about the neighborhood. It's a low-density, exclusive private enclave with just 11 condos, which many regard as the most coveted addresses in the entire East Zone. Now let's take a look at the unit. We are standing on the top floor of the tower, and this unit enjoys a true north-south orientation, meaning it avoids the harsh afternoon sun. Whether you are in the living room, the common rooms, or the master, you get unblocked panoramic views all the way from Singapore's southern coastline to Johor Bahru. This 1066 square foot layout is squarish, highly efficient, and has no bay windows. That makes it significantly more spacious than the newer 2 bedrooms in the market. In terms of location, it doesn't get better than this. We're less than 3 minutes walk to Katong Park MRT on the Thomson East Coast Line. From here, it's just 4 stops to Shenton Way, 25 minutes to Orchard, and by next year, a direct line straight to Changi Airport. For those who drive, you are within 3 minutes of major expressways like ECP, MCE, KPE, and the PIE. Right next door, Katong Park has been rejuvenated with a brand new F&B outlet and upgraded playground, all expected to be completed by next year. Now, speaking of pricing, Meyer Blue, which is freehold and TOPs in 2028, is priced around 3,200 PSF. Leaf at MB, which is a 99-year leasehold, is now listing between 2,006 to 3,000 PSF. Okay, so that's all we have for today. If you have further questions, drop them in the comment section. To check out this place, drop us a message and my team will be assisting you. Thanks for watching to the end. I'll see you at the next one. Bye.